Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this partner streak filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. You can tap on the screen to change the images. Okay, so let me remove this first. Okay, to get this effect on Snapchat you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Now you will see this pop-up. Tap on unlock for 48 hours, and there you go. You got the filter. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.